Are you a wealth management advisor or financial planner looking to launch a podcast or YouTube channel? Want to become a financial influencer? Then follow these quick steps. My name is Rob Gosby, and I have been specializing in video for wealth management for the past 11 years. I'll be revealing secrets to building your brand with podcasts and video while leveraging your existing social communities on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So let's get started. Number 5, treat it like a new business. Many advisors jump into podcasts and YouTube without understanding the commitment. To thrive, dedicate the same thought and focus as starting a real business. Would you launch a business without a business plan? Your firm's ideal client research will also apply here. So who are you trying to reach? What matters to them? Figure that out and then create content addressing their specific needs. Number 4, narrow your niche. Start with a small, underserved audience who is actively seeking your information. The finance social media space is crowded, so refine your message, but don't worry about perfection initially. Test and refocus over time. So instead of finance, try something more specific, like finance for pre-retirees. Then speak directly to that listener. Loyalty and organic growth will follow. Number 3, short-form content is initially key. While platforms like YouTube and podcast apps house long-form content, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram are vital for your initial reach. LinkedIn is also great for repurposing business-focused content. Short-form thrives in the doom scroll, and algorithms measure time increments that users watch a video as well as other engagements, and then they tailor the user experience around that data. So if you're good at capturing your show's essence in the shorts, viewers will start to find the longer shows more. Create remixes, best of clips, and authentic behind-the-scenes promos to nurture that growth. Number 2, master SEO and title research. Minor details matter, so research high-ranking keywords before creating your videos. For example, in a succession planning video, the addition of small business and family business would be incredibly valuable for the title and tags. Don't forget to craft titles that are both engaging and clearly categorize your content for the algorithm. Use relevant hashtags and yes, even emojis to aid in categorization, especially when your channel is new. And finally, number 1, consistency is paramount. Algorithms categorize based on comparison, so if you only release long-form content monthly, there's little for the algorithm to learn.
Brother, don't do that. Don't do that for me, brother.
Weekly shows still need daily, short-form content to keep the audience engaged and the channel active. Think of the algorithm like a parent giving allowance for daily chores. Consistent effort leads to steady growth towards your new bike. More frequent, regular releases, supported by strong short-form content, provide the algorithm with ample data to understand your audience, leading to improved organic reach until your long-form content takes center stage. If you'd like to know more about what podcasting or a YouTube channel could do for your firm, please reach out to me at robg@optimumfilms.com.